Hi, I'm Airee, a runner and personal trainer, and this is my T15 treadmill from THERUN. This is my favorite piece of equipment right now because I am training for my next half marathon, and this allows me to get all of my runs in no matter what is happening with the weather. I live in the South, so it could be raining, it could be cold, it could be hot. You just never really know what's gonna happen, and this holds me accountable and lets me get my workouts in every single day. Additionally, the size. I have it in my garage right now. I've had it in the house. I've had it in my workout room. I've had it in my living room. I've had it everywhere because it is just that perfect in size. Additionally, it's really quiet, which I appreciate. I have a 3-year-old. If you know about getting up and running at 5 a.m., it's dark out. I can get on my treadmill. I'm not gonna wake up the house. That's a game changer for me. I also like to get in incline walks. This treadmill offers an automatic incline, which I love. All I have to do is press a button and there it goes. So everything on your T15 is going to be right on this dashboard. There's so much data, and I am a data-driven girly at heart, so I want to know all the things. While I'm running, I can see my distance, my calories, the time of day, my pulse, everything is right here. I also really love this tracker that shows you like how many laps you've done, because sometimes I like to do interval runs or tempo runs, speed runs. This kind of really helps me do that. Everything is at a click of a button. I also like the modes here because if I want to run for a certain distance, I can set the treadmill to that. Or if I want to run for a certain amount of time, I can set the treadmill for that. There's also different programs on the treadmill that you can choose to create your workouts as well. I also just recently moved to a new city, which means I don't have many running friends here, but the T15 pairs with Bluetooth with the app Zwift. And on Zwift, I can run with other people. I can run in different cities and parts of the world. I can chat and talk. I can choose workouts. And so it's very immersive, and it feels like I'm out with a bunch of friends running right in the comfort of my home, right on the comfort of my treadmill. I love this thing. So let's take a closer look at the Zwift app. I showed you how I get an exercise started, but once you're in, the platform looks like this. Again, it is running at the same tempo as me. The Bluetooth is synced with my T15. There's so many other people in here. So again, it feels like I'm running with a community of people. I can see myself. I can see a new city, a new place, and it just keeps my workouts really exciting. Again, no matter what the weather, I don't have an excuse. I can get my workouts done on my treadmill. I always feel so accomplished after finishing these workouts. I get a lot of stats and data and comparisons of my runs on the Zwift app, so it's definitely something I've enjoyed having access to now that I have my T15. You can also see just how comfortable I am on the treadmill. There's so much space, and at the click of a button, I can change my speed. I can change the incline. It's very easy to use. I can also put my hands on the sensors, check my heart rate so I know what zone I'm running in at all times. I could go on and on and on why the T15 is amazing. I started my running journey a year ago, and I've been using treadmills from THERUN for the past few months. The T15 has been my favorite. I love the space on the treadmill. I feel very safe. I like that it folds up and down. I love that I can put it almost anywhere in my home. I love all of the features. I rant and rave and share about my treadmill all the time. I hope that you found this helpful, seeing everything that the T15 can do. It'll make you the most amazing runner, whether you're running for a 5K or a full marathon. You will be amazing once you get to a T15. You will remove all of the excuses, all of the doubt. You'll have so much support between the Zwift immersive app and all of the features here, and you'll get better every single day. See you out there running. Bye.